Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. So our today's topic is again the same, that is India Yearbook 2020, and from that I am taking out the current bits whatever it's there. Let me tell you, this video is very much helpful for the students who are preparing for UPSC pre as well as main. Then state public service commission, any state public service commission, in that also it will be very much helpful for the students of MPSC also who are preparing in English medium. So in GS 4 it is the part of economics and science and tech, and also GS 3 in HRD the question will come, and also in prelims the question will definitely come. Okay, so this is what about this book, India Yearbook, and it is very hard to understand, and that's my कोशिश है मेरी एक कि आप लोगों को ये समझ पाए. It's my what we say effort to make you people understand how should we take out from this book. Okay, because a new beginner will not able to read this book for at least 2-3 years. He will not understand how to take out from this book, but there will be definitely some questions. So the topic is Umang. Okay, here you can check out the Umang. Now what is Umang? Here it is given, the long form of Umang. It is Unified Mobile Application and for New Age Governance. Okay, so Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. So it was launched in 2017. Okay, second question, when it was launched. So the first question is, what is Umang? So okay, so second is, what is the long form of Umang? First, second, and third one is when it was launched. Okay, so what is Umang? It is a single mobile platform to deliver major government services. It delivers government services, now all types of government services, from central government, then from state government, then from local bodies and their agencies. Okay, so whatever it may be, and moreover, so this is another thing, so it provides, the question might be come in direct question, maybe also there, or in the form of statement. 1 2 3 4 statement are given. Consider the following statement and which one of the following is correct, in this way. Okay, and then again options will be there. A 1 2 4, second will be 2 4 5, in this way. So you have to choose it. Then it is delivered, it supports 12 Indian language. 12 Indian language. 12 Indian language plus 1 English language. So total in this way there are 13 languages. Okay, so it supports in 13 languages. 13 languages, 12 Indian and 1 English. Okay, so and is hosted on the clouds also. That Umang aims to bring power to the fingertips of citizen. So basically it is a mobile platform to deliver major government services. Now the question may come also in this way. Consider the following statement and check out which is wrong and right, or which of the following is 1 2 3 4 like this, and then which of the following is correct or incorrect. In that way something is written. So it is launched in 2017, then its long form about that, then it provides only central government service. This may be only central government service, so it is not correct. It is providing all the services, and moreover it is integrated with Aadhaar, DigiLocker, then Pay Government, then Rapid as all the other government services also. So this is my trial to make you people understand how this book should be used. I hope you liked my video. If you liked, please give like to my video Then put comment in comment box. Your comments are most valuable for me. Your comments motivate me. They tell me in which direction I should go. Then also share this video to your friends who is preparing for various competitive exams including UPSC and other state civil services. And please subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Okay, so we will meet in again in next lecture. Okay, next with next video. Thank you friends.